If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Latitude in Hydro Blue. With active lane management system, full speed forward collision warning, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, remote start system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 108558.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.